Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Toyota Camry door handle step by step. Start by removing the interior door panel, disconnect the linkage, and inspect the handle mechanism for broken clips, strip screws, or worn parts. Replace damaged clips or the handle assembly as needed, lubricate moving parts with silicone spray, and test operation before reassembling the panel. I'll guide you through tools, common pitfalls, and quick checks to finish confidently. When removing the panel, work slowly and methodically to avoid broken clips or pinched wires. Patience saves time and frustration. Keep fasteners organized in a tray and reference photos for the window switch and latch connections. Inspect the rod connectors and plastic clips closely. Many failures are simple snap fits that need replacement. Once parts are replaced, cycle the handle and lock several times to confirm smooth operation before reattaching the trim. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making these step-by-step guides. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They make wrenching more comfortable and fun. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After installing replacement parts, reassemble the linkage and test the mechanism thoroughly to avoid surprises on the road. Check both interior and exterior handles, try different lock positions, and ensure the latch releases cleanly every time. If something binds, reopen the panel and adjust alignment or replace any worn connectors. Finalize with a tidy reinstallation of the panel and screws so everything looks and functions as it should.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.